Cervena Venison presents the Denver leg. It's a grass-fed and free-range. It's raised without steroids or hormones. Tender and super versatile. Cervena Venison Denver leg is great for steaks, searing and roasting, smoking, barbecue, and sous vide. Its mild, delicate, subtle, sweet flavor works with many flavor profiles. I seasoned with Spiceology's habanero, honey granules, and smoked paprika. I charred summer corn and cut it off the cob, and then sauteed it with jalapeno and onion. I basted the venison in butter. The honey caramelized nicely. I finished with Fresh Origin's all-natural habanero crystals. This dish is Cervena Venison Denver leg with corn and pluots.